In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Whiteboard. Understanding how to integrate hyperlinks into your whiteboard can enhance your presentations, making your content more dynamic and interactive. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working on a project solo, this simple tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure you can share additional resources efficiently. Firstly, let's start by opening a browser. If you're not familiar with Microsoft Whiteboard, simply head to your favorite search engine and type in Microsoft Whiteboard. This will bring you to the Microsoft Whiteboard login page. Once there, you'll need to sign in. Now, if you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically signed in. Microsoft 365 efficiently manages your credentials, so you can jump right in without any fuss. However, if you aren't automatically logged in, don't worry. Just click the sign-in option. From here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password, your key entries for tying into the extensive suite of features that Microsoft offers. Make sure to have any additional information handy should the system request it as part of the login process. With Microsoft Whiteboard open on your computer, you'll find yourself in the digital canvas environment that Whiteboard is famous for. Look towards the bottom of the screen. It's here you'll see a range of icons designed to broaden your creative possibilities. Among these, you're looking for the ellipsis icon. That's 3 little dots in a row. Clicking this will open up more options for you. Within this menu, select Links. This is where the magic happens, and where you can weave other content seamlessly into your whiteboard. Have your hyperlink ready to go. It's as simple as a copy and paste from the source. Once you've copied your link, click inside the designated field and paste it right there. The final step is to hit the Insert button. With one click, your hyperlink will be included in your whiteboard content. This link can direct your audience to documents, websites, or any online content that's pertinent to your project. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make your whiteboard content even more interactive. By following these steps, you've now expanded what was a static display into a gateway of further information, enabling richer collaboration and more dynamic presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect. And as you become more familiar with these steps, the process will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other amazing capabilities of Microsoft Whiteboard. This tool is there to spark your creativity, so keep experimenting. Until next time, take care and happy collaborating.